Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install Cmake in a safe way, the latest version of course, and how to avoid the problem of unable to reach some archives. I've shown in some one videos how to deal with this problem, but no problem, it's okay. I'm going to show how to install Cmake, okay? So what you're going to do is to type this command here, sudo apt-get install Cmake, and to avoid the problem of archives, so we're going to add this stuff here. Okay, so let's do it. Couldn't lock. Okay, I've seen this problem some way. So here he said that couldn't get lock for stuff, so we're gonna type those two commands here. Nice. Okay, and we're gonna try again. So nice, it has been installed perfectly. Alhamdulillah, thanks God.